Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, can't map network drive fix error 0x80070043 on Windows 11 Fast. Open Control Panel. Click Turn Windows Features on or off. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.